Behind every slice delivered in 30 minutes or less lies a marvel of industrial precision. Welcome. It begins with the harvest. Domino's selects only the finest high-protein wheat, the essential foundation for a crust that consistency is key. Every gram of the Domino's proprietary formula is digitally measured to ensure that a crust timing and temperature are everything. The dough must remain cool to slow down yeast activity, a process. The final touch before storage, a dusting of cornmeal. This is the secret to the signature Domino's crunch that millions of fans recognize instantly. In the Domino's nerve center, science oversees tradition. Every batch is monitored by sophisticated sensors. Domino's uses only 100% real mozzarella. Shredded at the peak of freshness, it's designed for that perfect butter. Freshness isn't just a buzzword, it's a process. Every vegetable is cleaned and cut using high-pressure water technology to preserve its With the dough, sauce, and toppings prepared to the highest standards, the Domino's engine is ready to move. The heart of the rise. Every batch of Domino's dough begins with a precision-activated yeast culture, the biological engine of the perfect crust.
Robotic precision ensures that the dough is handled with care. Every ball is placed with the exact pressure needed to preserve its internal structure.
Packaging is the final safeguard. By using nitrogen-flushed bags and vacuum seals, Domino
The secret is in the blend. Domino's proprietary herb mix is micronized to ensure that every bite of the crust is in. This is the vault. Here, millions of dough balls undergo their 48-hour transformation. It's a the science of the slice. Every batch must pass an ultrasonic density check to guarantee that signature Domino's airy texture in every bite. Before a single tray leaves, it must pass the final audit. Human expertise and robotic precision work. Safety is the primary ingredient. In the Domino's labs, we ensure that every square inch of our facility meets the world's strictest hygiene standards. The journey begins. From our sterile facility to our specialized fleet, the cold chain remains unbroken.
From the field to the factory and finally to your door. This is the Industrial Symphony of Domino's.
Feeding the world through engineering excellence.